Hi friends. So in the last video we saw overview of computer security and the main things what we had seen is what is security, what to secure, potential losses, and basic checklist. Okay, so today topic we are going to discuss is elements of computer security. So all the networks or systems, they have the general ability to detect and prevent the attack, and in case attack has happened, so they can destroy the data before it becomes accessible to the attacker. Okay, so to fulfill this objective we have got uh, three main elements. First is confidentiality, second is integrity, and third is availability. In addition to this, there are two new component, that is authenticity and utility. Okay, now what is confidentiality? Confidentiality means concealment of data to maintain the secrecy. Okay, so that it should have access to only authorized person. For example, if suppose two person are communicating in over the email, and the email is encrypted and they have got the decryption key, so through that key they can read each other's message. But if suppose a third party has seen the decryption key, so that third party will have access and the confidentiality of data has gone. So to avoid that, you need a proper and secure network along with username and password, and a username and password should be of a unique style, not like your date of birth or name or combination of something like that, so that anybody can guess it easily. It should not happen in that way. It should be very unique so that nobody can make a guess. Okay, now second is integrity. Integrity is the trustworthiness of data in the system. Okay, from the viewpoint of that it is coming from a authorized source or from an authorized source. Okay, it has got two elements. One is data integrity. Data integrity is that the content of data is correct. Okay, it does not have any temperament. The second is authenticity. Authenticity means it is coming from a authenticated source. Somebody who has got access to it, he has only sent. Otherwise, if authenticity is not there, the data may have or might have come from a irrelevant source, and it may be a probable attack on our system. Okay, for example, if suppose you are paying over any e-commerce website and you want to make a payment of $5, somehow in between the network, if somebody has got access to the network, like when you send a request for payment, it goes through a system. If somebody has got access to that system, they may change the amount to $500. Now your $5 has become $500 and you have been cheated for $495. Okay, so encryption and decryption are the most important part in this again, because the data should be encrypted. If you have seen the payment gateway, they say encrypted with so many bits, so like that. So you can make out that okay, this platform is secure and I can make payment without any compromises, without being compromised my bank account as well as other financial details. Okay, now the third is availability. Now, availability is the ability to access data. Okay, data denial is the most common attack. If you have, you must have heard about the ransom attack. In that, they used to put some malware and get charge of the data on your system, and they used to ask for money to release the data. Okay, so these are the main elements of computer security.